Namaste everyone. Welcome to the class again. Now let us see few more problems using multiplication theorem or using effect of multiplication by t. Now we have to find Laplace transform of, here we will take first problem, find Laplace transform of t into sine cube t. Now for using this property, we first find Laplace transform of sine cube t. So Laplace of sine cube t. Now we cannot directly find Laplace of sine cube t. For this, we use the formula for sine cube t. What is sine cube t? It is 1 upon 4 3 sin t minus sine 3t. Okay, basically you have formula for sine 3t and you modify that formula for sine 3t and get this formula. So here if I write what is sine 3t, so sine 3t we know that it is 3 sin t minus 4 sine cube t. So but this minus 4 sine cube t will come on left hand side and we get 3 sin t minus sine 3t. Then we divide both the sides by 4 and I will get sine cube t as 1 upon 4 3 sin t minus sine 3t. Now I can find Laplace 1 by 4 I will take out. This will be 3 into Laplace of sine t is 1 upon s square plus 1 minus here it is 3 upon s square plus 3 square, that is 9. So this 3 also we can take out. This is 3 divided by 4 into 1 upon s square plus 1 minus 1 upon s square plus 9. This is Laplace of sine cube t. So therefore Laplace of t into sine cube t. Now when I say t into sine cube t, I will use effect of multiplication by t. It is minus 1 into d upon ds into here I have 3 upon 4 into 1 upon s square plus 1 minus 1 upon s square plus 9. So this is equals to, I will say that this is equals to minus 3 upon 4 I will take out. Now derivative of 1 upon s square plus 1, I will use u upon v, u upon v. So v derivative of u, so it will become 0, minus 1 into derivative of s square plus 1 is 2s whole divided by s square plus 1 the whole square. Here it is minus and again I have minus 2s, here also I will get 2s upon s square, okay, here it is plus 9, s square plus 9 the whole square. So I will take minus sign out, also 2s we can take out, so minus minus it will become plus and 2 cancel. So here I have 3 upon 2 into s, so 3s upon 2, and here inside bracket I have 1 upon s square plus 1 the whole square, and here I have minus sign, 1 minus sign I have taken out, so it will be minus 1 upon s square plus 9 the whole square. So this is my final answer. Let us take one more problem. We will find Laplace transform of t into e power 3t into sine 4t. Now I will also show how to solve this problem in two different ways. So first of all, I have to find Laplace of sin 4t. Now Laplace of sin 4t is what? By formula it is 4 upon s square plus 16. Then I use Laplace of first shifting theorem. So e power 3t into sin 4t. So for this, what I will do, wherever there is s, I will replace it with s minus 3. So it will become s minus 3 the whole square plus 16. Now I can expand this at this stage. So it will become 4 upon s square minus 6s plus 9 plus 16. That will give me 4 upon s square minus 6s plus 25. This is Laplace of e power 3t into sin 4t. Now in next stage we will use the multiplication theorem. So therefore Laplace of t into e power 3t into sin 4t, I will get answer as, I have to differentiate, so minus 1 into d upon ds into 4 upon s square minus 6s plus 25. So this will be equal to minus, now it is minus 4 into derivative of this, because u upon v derivative of u, it will become 0, minus u derivative of v I have to do. So this is 2s minus 6 upon, here I have s square minus 6s plus 25 the whole square. This is Laplace transform of t into e power 3t into sin 4t. Okay, so that's it. Means here I can take this 2 again common, this minus minus it will become plus, so it is 8 times, here it is s minus 3 upon denominator is s square minus 6s plus 25 the whole square. Now the same problem can also be solved by using first multiplication by t and then first shifting theorem. So Laplace of, again Laplace of sin 4t, it is 4 upon s square plus 16. Now at this stage I will use Laplace of t into sin 4t. So I will say minus 1 into d by ds into, we have to differentiate 4 upon s square plus 16. So I will get answer as minus 1, here it is minus 4 into 2s upon s square plus 16 the whole square. So this minus minus plus, so here it is 8s upon s square plus 16 the whole square. Now Laplace of, I have to multiply by e power 3t, so e power 3t into t into sin 4t, this will become 8 into s minus 3 upon, here also s will replace by s minus 3 the whole square plus 16 the whole square. So if I simplify denominator, I will get 8 into s minus 3 upon, here it is s square minus 6s plus 9 plus 16 is 25, so plus 25 the whole square. So the result in both the ways we are getting the same, right? So it is your wish which term you want to solve first. Okay, so sin 4t, so definitely we have to solve first, then we either multiply by t first or we use first shifting theorem and solve the problem. Okay, so in all these problems we have seen that only t is multiplying. Now let us see one more problem in which we have t power 5 cos hyperbolic t. So let us take problem of Laplace transform of t power 5 into cos hyperbolic t. Okay, now here t power 5 means if I find the Laplace of cos hyperbolic t, for which we have already a formula, that is s upon s square minus 1, then I have to differentiate this function 5 times. Okay, and that will be bit problematic. Okay, maybe, okay, 5 times we have to solve. The other way is that I can convert this cos hyperbolic t in terms of e power. Okay, and then first I find Laplace transform of t power 5 and then use the first shifting theorem. So let us see what I am saying. T power 5 into cos hyperbolic t, this can be written as t power 5 into e power t plus e power minus t whole divided by 2. So my problem simplifies to 1 upon 2 e power t into t power 5 plus 1 upon 2 e power minus t into t power 5. Okay, now here we can easily find out Laplace of this part and Laplace of this part. Okay, so let us see Laplace of first t power 5. Laplace of t power 5 is 5 factorial upon s power 6. 5 factorial means 120. Okay, 120 upon s power 6. Now Laplace transform of e power t into t power 5. So using first shifting theorem it will become 120 upon s minus 1 the whole power 6, and Laplace transform of e power minus t into t power 5, this will become 120 upon s plus 1 the whole power 6. So therefore I will say that Laplace transform of t power 5 into e power t plus e power minus t whole divided by 2 is equals to 1 upon 2 I will take out, and here inside bracket I have 120 upon s minus 1 power 6 plus 120 upon s plus 1 power 6. So this is 120 upon 2 is 60, so 60 into 1 upon s minus 1 power 6 plus 1 upon s plus 1 power 6. Now here this term is Laplace of t power 5, and this e power t plus e power minus t upon 2 I can write cos hyperbolic t. So Laplace of t power 5 into cos hyperbolic t is equal to 60 into 1 upon s minus 1 the whole power 6 plus 1 upon s plus 1 the whole power 6. Okay, so if it is t or t square, then you can use multiplication by t at last, but if it is t power 3, 4, 5 like that, then it is always simple to use multiplication first and then use any other property like first shifting theorem or any other property that we will see further. So now let us move and solve few more problems. Okay, one problem I will take, which is you have to find Laplace transform of t into root of 1 plus sin t. So let us first understand what is this root of 1 plus sin t. So 1 plus sin 2 theta is cos theta plus sin theta the whole square. Okay, if you expand you will get cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1, plus 2 sin theta cos theta, which is sin 2 theta. So we know this formula, since I will write, therefore root of 1 plus sin t, okay, I will write as square root of cos t by 2 plus sin t by 2 the whole square, and then this square root will go off, so I have cos t by 2 plus sin t by 2. Okay, this is the value of root of 1 plus sin t, root of 1 plus sin t. Now I have to first find Laplace of this term, and then I have to multiply by t. So let us see Laplace of root of 1 plus sin t. I will say this is equals to Laplace of cos t by 2 plus sin t by 2. This is equals to, now Laplace of cos is what? S upon s square plus a square, that is 1 by 4, plus here it is a upon s square (1 by 2), here it is 1 by 2 upon s square plus 1 by 4. Okay, so we simplify, we will get s upon, here it is 2s square, 4s square, not 2, it is 4s square plus 1 whole divided by 4, that will go on top, plus here it is in the same way 4 into 1 by 2 upon 4s square plus 1. So as denominator is same, we will write denominator once, so it is 4s plus 2, 4 into 1 by 2 is 2 upon 4s square plus 1. This is the value of Laplace of root of 1 plus sin t. So therefore now I have to find Laplace of t into root of 1 plus sin t. So by definition it will be minus 1 into d upon ds into 4s plus 2 upon 4s square plus 1. Okay, so when you are solving Laplace and using this property, I assume that you know differentiation very well. Okay, so this is minus 1. U upon v rule is, first we will write v, which is 4s square plus 1, then we differentiate this 4s plus 2, which gives me the value 4, minus I will write 4s plus 2, and I differentiate this 4s square plus 1, it gives me 8s, and whole divide by 4s square plus 1 the whole square. So this is equals to minus 1. Now here I will multiply numerator, 4 for the 16s square plus 4 minus 8 for the 32s square minus 8 to the 16s whole divided by 4s square plus 1 the whole square. Now this is equal to minus 1, 16s square minus 32s square. So this is minus 16s square. Then we have minus 16s. Then we have plus 4. Whole divided by 4s square plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so I can take minus 4 common, so it will become 4 outside, and here it is 4s square plus 4s plus 1 in numerator, and denominator will be 4s square plus 1 the whole square. This is Laplace transform of t into root of 1 plus sin t. Simple? Done? Okay. So let us see one more problem. We will take one problem in which we have to differentiate many times. So let us take a problem of, we have to find Laplace transform of t cube into cos t. So Laplace transform of t cube into cos t. So first we will find Laplace of cos t. Laplace of cos t is s upon s square plus 1, right? S square plus a square, a is 1. Now Laplace of t cube into cos t, this will be minus 1 cube into d cube upon ds cube into phi of s is s upon s square plus 1. 3 times I have to differentiate. So this is equal to, this is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 cube is what? Minus 1. It is d by d square by ds square. And here I have to differentiate, means I have to use u upon v method. So it is s square plus 1 into derivative of s is 1 minus s into derivative of s square plus 1 is 2s whole divided by s square plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so this is one time derivation I have done. Minus 1 d square upon ds square. First simplify inside. It is s square plus 1 minus 2s square. So it will become 1 minus s square. And denominator is s square plus 1 the whole square. I will differentiate again. So this is minus 1 into d by ds. I will differentiate again. So it is s square plus 1 the whole square, s square plus 1 the whole square into, I have to differentiate this part. So derivative of this part is minus 2s. Minus, I will take 1 minus s square and I have to differentiate this. So it will be into 2 into s square plus 1 and whole divided by s square plus 1 the whole square. So this will give me, this is equals to minus 1 d upon ds. Now here it is s square plus 1. If you see, you can take common. Acha, let me see. Okay, denominator I have to write s plus 1 the whole power 4. Okay, because s square plus 1 the whole square, again I will do square. Acha, here also there is some problem. S square plus 1 the whole square into, here I got minus 2s, then 1 minus s square, here I differentiate the 2 into s square plus 1, then this s square plus 1 again I will differentiate now. So derivative of s square plus 1 is what? It is 2s. So let us write into 2s first. So into, here it is 2s. Okay, then I will close this bracket. So here it is, now s square plus 1 I will take common. S square plus 1 I will take common, and then here inside bracket I have s square plus 1 into minus 2s, then minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4s into 1 minus s square whole divided by s square plus 1 the whole power 4. Now this s square plus 1 I will cancel, here I will get power 3. So this is minus 1 d by ds. Now you open this bracket, here it is minus 2s cube then here it is minus 2s, then here it is minus 4s, then here it is plus 4s cube, whole divided by, we have s square plus 1 the whole cube. So here this minus 2s cube and here it is plus 4s cube. Again we can simplify it further. So d by ds. Now this numerator is 2s cube minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6s. Upon here we have s square plus 1 the whole cube. So I will take 2 common. So this is minus 2 I will take out. It is d by ds and here it is s cube minus 3s. S also we must have taken out, but again I have to differentiate, so let it be, divided by s square plus 1 the whole cube. Now again I will differentiate. It is minus 2. Here it is s square plus 1 the whole cube into derivative of this term is 3s square minus 3 minus, here I have s cube minus 3s. I will differentiate this part, so it is 3 into s square plus 1 the whole square into derivative of s square plus 1 is 2s whole divided by, now here I have s square plus 1 the whole power 6. So this is equals to minus 2. Now s square plus 1 the whole square you can take common. So s square plus 1 the whole square we take common, and now inside bracket it is 3s square minus 3 into 1 s square plus 1 is here. Then I have minus 2s into 3, so that is minus 6s into, we have s cube minus 3s, and whole divided by, we have s square plus 1 the whole power 6. Now this power 2 and this power 6 will cancel. I have power 4. So I will write this is equals to minus 2 into 3s square. Let us open the bracket. 3s square into s square is 3s power 4. Then plus 3s square. Then minus 3s square. Then minus 3, then minus 6 in s into s cube is 6s power 4, then minus minus plus, it is 6 3 the 18 s square, and whole divided by, I have s square plus 1 the whole power 4. This is equals to minus 2. Now 3s power 4 minus 6s power 4, so it is minus 3s power 4. So this part I cancelled. Then s square, so here it is plus 3s square minus 3s square cancel. Here I have plus 18s square, so I will write plus 18s square. Then I have minus 3, so minus 3. And this whole divided by s square plus 1 the whole power 4. Now I will take minus 3 out, so minus 2 into minus 3 is 3 to the 6, so I will take 6 common, and inside I have now 6 common. Then here I have s power 4 plus 3 6 the 18, 6 s square minus 1 upon, this is s square plus 1 the whole power 4. Now if you see carefully, this is s square minus 1 the whole square, and this is s square plus 1 the whole power 4. So this is our result for t cube into cos t. Oh, I think I have done some error here. Okay, just see, when I take minus common, this negative will become positive, this positive should become negative. So here in place of plus I should have minus, and in place of minus I should have plus. So this is minus and this is plus. Then one more mistake I have done is that this s power 4 minus 6 s square plus 1 is not this s square minus 1 the whole square. It is s power 4 minus 2 s square. No? So again this is wrong. So this is what I got is the final answer. 6 into s power 4 minus 6 s square plus 1 upon s square plus 1 the whole power 4. So this is multiplication by t. Okay, so we have seen lot of problems on multiplication by t. You can try as many problems as possible, okay, so that you will take less time while solving the problem. Okay, multiplication by t, I recommend that you practice more as derivatives are involved here. So this will definitely benefit you. Thank you for being in this lecture. In the next lecture we will see few problems on evaluation, and then we will see one more property, that is division by t. So here it is multiplication by t, next we will see division by t. Thank you again.